Good day to everyone. I'm Dr. Alka Kumar, hysteroscopic surgeon, and presently serving the board of the AAGL Hysteroscopy SIG. I take this opportunity along with my colleague and my dear friend Dr. Vidya Bhatt to invite you to Dubai. We have just finished a course on hysteroscopy from IBC, and we are looking forward to the upcoming one very soon.
The IBC arrangements are so well.
Actually we did this on the animal models.
Yes.
So it is a great way to learn hysteroscopy from the anatomical landmarks to actually the simulations, and most importantly the complications as well as the ease of office hysteroscopy.
And the present batch which you just finished, we're so excited. They have learned it so well.
Oh yes.
And thanks to IBC for giving such good instruments and the towers. I'm looking forward for more training and more interactions with the students.
Absolutely, yes. Yeah. Please do join us for our upcoming course in hysteroscopy in Dubai.
Looking forward to see you in Dubai.